Good morning. How are you all? I hope all of you will be fine. You know who am I? My name is Hema Mehra, and today I'm here with a new topic of mathematics. Okay? So, our today's topic is pattern. Our today's topic is pattern. Have you heard about this word? Look at the picture. Did you see anything like pattern? Are we repeating something? Okay, let's talk about it. What are patterns actually? So patterns you can create and they are everywhere when any shape, color, numbers and the things like objects, they are arranged in an order and they repeated over and over again. You know what is repeated means? Repeated means repeating something. If one color is there, then after some times that color is repeating itself. So we can make and we can create those patterns with the help of shapes, colors, numbers and the things around us. Okay, so as you know, we can create pattern, but if you see around yourself, there are so many patterns in the things. So what are those things that are around you and it is having pattern? So like this is a shirt. This is a shirt. Can you see a pattern of dark color and light color? It means some color is repeating again and again in a certain interval of time. So this is called a pattern. What about the next thing? Mama sari. It also has pattern in it. Some design is over there. If we repeat that design, that means we are making some pattern. Look at this. This is a garland. When you make a garland or if you see any garland, there are some arrangement of flowers in it, like red flower, then yellow flower, then red flower and yellow flower. In this way, we can find pattern in garlands. What is this? It's a bed sheet. It's a bed sheet and it has pattern in it. Can you see that pattern? Something is repeating. Yes, the box of red color is repeating again and again. Oh my God, what is this? These are eggs. Look at the pattern. White egg, brown egg. White egg, brown egg. It means they are making a pattern of white and brown color egg. And it is repeating again and again. So they are making a pattern. You can say pattern are the design, but in a particular manner. If something is repeating. Now tell me, which game is this? This is a chessboard. So which color is repeating again and again? White color and black color. Okay, so it means in this chessboard, the color is repeating again and again. So it is making a pattern. Okay, now understood what is pattern? So discuss it one by one. We can create pattern with the help of objects, with the help of things. Now tell me, what is the first picture? It is of apple. And what is next to it? Banana. Now, if I place one apple after banana, it means I am repeating that apple again. Yes. Then if I am repeating again banana after this apple, then it will create a pattern. Now, can you read that pattern? Apple, banana, apple, banana. So what will come next? Find out. Apple. So after apple, it's banana. Now tell me, what comes next in the pattern? A banana or an apple? Apple. So we are making a pattern with the help of apple and banana. So what will come next? Banana. Then apple. Then again banana. So it means they are making a pattern in which apple and banana, they are repeating again and again. So it is making a pattern. Can we make pattern with some other objects? Yes. Look at this thing. What is this? Pencil. What is this? An eraser. Oh God, again an eraser. So can we use eraser 2 times and can we make pattern of it? Let's see. Now again, just see which thing is repeating here. Pencil. So it means pencil at the first place, and right now again pencil is there. It means what we are repeating? Pencil, eraser and eraser. So it is making a pattern. So can you tell me which will come at the next part? Pencil. Yes, you are right. And what comes next? An eraser. So do you see in all these two patterns, what we are repeating? We are repeating two things in a certain interval of time. So this is the pattern of objects or pattern of things. Next is the patterns of shapes. Yes, tell me. These are threads and we are making necklace of it with the help of shapes. In the same manner as the garland is having that different colors flowers in a particular manner. So in this thread, we will take some beads of some shapes. So tell me the first picture, triangle of blue color. You have to take the color concepts also, okay? But right now what we will do, we will talk about the shapes only. Now, first picture is of triangle, second picture is of circle, third picture is of square. All of you are aware about all these shapes? Now, if next I'm making this triangle, it means I'm repeating that triangle again. So tell me, which will come at the next? Circle. Again, square. So just see the pattern. Triangle, circle, square. Then repetition is there. Triangle, circle, square. So can you tell me which will come next? Triangle. Then circle. And at the last, square. So it will make a pattern of shapes. Pattern of shapes. Now see, what is this? Is it a shape? This is a picture of sun and it is circular in shape. Okay, now next is moon. Moon is in the shape of an arc. Okay, see, again repetition is there. Sun at the first position and the third position. It means we have just started the repetition part. So tell me, which thing comes next? Yes, a moon. Now look at the repetition part. Sun, moon. Sun, moon. So what will come next? Yes, you are right. Sun. And after that, moon. So this is called pattern of shapes. Okay. Now talk about the last one. Which shape is this? Heart shape. Okay. Now you have to take care after which shape repetition is there. Okay. After which shape we are doing repetition. and you have to find out. What is this? A smile. Then star. Then again a heart shape. It means our pattern is heart, smiley and star. And now from here we will start doing repetition. It means we are following the pattern of these three shapes. So what will come at the next part? Smiley. And what next? A star. Now read the pattern by yourself. Heart, smiley, star. Heart, smiley, star. So what will come next? Heart, right. And what about the other thing? Next one, a smiley. And the last is a star. So this is called pattern of shapes, in which we are repeating these shapes again and again after a certain interval of time. Okay, understood? Next is we can make and create those patterns with the help of numbers also. Okay, so look at this number card. How many dots are there in the first card? 2 dots. Okay, now look at the next card and tell me how many dots are there? 3 dots. Now tell me, if the first card has 2 dots, second card has 3 dots. So if we follow the numbers pattern, if we follow the numbers, so which number will come at the next? 4. So our next number card is of 4. Very nice. So if we read it again, 2, 3, 4. What will come next? If we read the numbers, yes, next is number 5. So these are called number patterns. These are called number patterns. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, and number 5 now. So what about the next card? Just guess how many circles will be there? 6 circles. Right. So wait for the next one. Correct. Next one is of 7 circles. Count the number of dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 dots. And the last one is of 9 dots. So this is called the number pattern. This is called the number pattern. Can we make number pattern with the higher numbers? Yes, we can. Just see. What is this? Number 2. This is number 2. Okay. Now what is this? Number 4. Where is number 3? Number 3 is not there. Okay, let's see. Number 2, then number 4. 3 is missing. Next is number 6. 2, 4, and 6. It means something is missing. Are they following the number pattern? Let's see. Yes, they have. But how? See, in the first box we have 2. But for the next box, if we add 2, plus 2 means add 2. Then 2 plus 2, what we will get? We will get 4. Look at the next box. It's 4. Okay, can we just guess, can we move ahead to find out how this number 6 will come? Do the same thing. We will add 2 as first, in the first number to get that 4, what we have done? We added 2. So in the next also, if we want to follow the pattern, so again and again, we have to repeat something. So here we will repeat addition of 2 after each number. Okay, if we have number 4 and we add number 2, what we will get? Yes, we will get number 6. This is a pattern. It means after adding 2 again and again, we are getting the next number. So can you guess about the next number? Let's try. What we have to do, what is the repetition going on here? We are adding 2 again and again. So we have 6 and add 2. What you will get? 6 add 2, we will get 8. Correct? So again, if I want to repeat this pattern, again, if you have 8 fingers, you want to add 2 fingers, what you will get? We get 10. Okay? Now, for the next box again, what we have to repeat? Our pattern. That is addition of 2. If you have 10 and you are adding 2 in it, then you will get 12. So this is called number pattern, where we are adding, we are repeating plus 2 again and again. So all these are called number pattern. What we call it? Number pattern. Now just see. We have pattern of colors also. So how? Look at these colors. First is orange. Next is black. Next is orange. Then is black. It means something is repeating. Which color is repeating? Orange and black both, but in a particular manner. So if you read it, orange, black, what will come next? Orange. Then after that, black. Now let's try with this picture. Red circle, blue circle, yellow circle. Is there any pattern over here? Something is repeating? No. It means there is no pattern. If you look at the colors only, red, blue, yellow, nothing is repeating. It means there is no pattern. Look at the next. Red again. Again means repeating something. So from here we will start our pattern. So what will come after red? Blue. What will come after blue? Yellow. So this is called color pattern. This is called color pattern, where colors are repeating again and again in a certain interval of time. As you can see, read this. It's a color pattern. What we call it? It's a color pattern. You can see that color pattern in here also. I is of orange, then white, then purple. Okay, now next, orange, white, purple. Then orange, white, purple. It means these colors are repeating again and again. Orange, white, and purple. Orange, white, and purple. It means they are making the color pattern. So understood? Nice. So it means, what do you mean by pattern? Pattern means when something is repeating. What is that something? It can be colors, it can be anything, it can be numbers, and it can be any shape. So you can create pattern with all those things by repeating them after certain interval of time. So can you believe it? Ki pattern is everywhere. Is it in your daily life? Yes. So let's see, with the help of module, where is that pattern? Okay.
Diwali, the festival of light, is here, and Pasha's neighborhood is busy preparing for the festival. Pasha and Jiki have decided to paint the gate of their compound wall.
I am going to paint all the squares on this gate red, and I'll paint the circles on the gate yellow. All right. Let's get started.
After a few hours, Pasha's father stops by the gate.
Good job, children. You have managed to create a pattern on the gate.
Pattern?
Yes. Look carefully. Each red square on the gate is followed by 2 yellow circles. The shape and color is repeated at regular intervals. As a certain rule is being followed here, this becomes a pattern.
Wow! We didn't notice that. Where else can we find such patterns?
All around us. I mean, you can find patterns in many things you see in your surroundings. Look at the flower pots arranged alongside the compound wall. Do you see a pattern in the shape, number, and arrangement of the pots?
Yes, I can see 2 square pots after every circular pot.
Now look at the garland put up there. Do you see a pattern in the sequence of leaves and flowers used in the garland?
Let me see. Yes! Every mango leaf is followed by 5 marigold flowers in the garland.
You are right. Now look at the Diwali lights put up there. There is a pattern in the color of the bulbs used. You will find that the bulbs are arranged in the sequence red, blue, green and yellow. You will find a pattern in the rangoli as well. Look at the repetition of designs at regular intervals.
We never knew that there are so many patterns all around us. Jiggy, I have an idea. Let's make Diwali lanterns using patterns. Wonderful idea, Pasha. Thanks, Dad. We need to go and get the material for the lanterns.
So understood? Patterns are everywhere around you. You can find them by looking around yourself. Okay? So now it's a practice time for you, whether you are able to do that pattern questions by yourself or not. Okay? So here is one page of our math workbook. And that is page number 81. So what you have to do, first you will write the date at the corner, that is 12.5.20. And as we are doing classwork, so we will circle that CW classwork. Fine. So let's start with question number 1. Look at the shapes around here. First is star shape. Next, a circle. Next, a square. It means what we are repeating? We are repeating shapes, star, circle and square. Now what next? Again, star is repeating. So our pattern is of first 3 pictures. Now look at this thing. Star, circle. What comes next? Square will come. Good. Now look at the next one. Triangle, circle. Triangle, circle. So what will come according to the pattern? Right. A triangle will come. So by drawing these 2 pictures, you have completed the pattern. Okay. So in the same question, look at the shapes again. Rectangle, oval, oval. Look at this thing again. Rectangle, oval and oval. Then again rectangle. It means from where it is repeating? From rectangle it is repeating. So if next is oval, so next what will come? As oval is of 2 times, so here oval will come. Okay. So at the last, 2 times also you can use the same picture. But you have to find out where you are repeating. Now, square, square, triangle, triangle. So what will come next? Square will come. Wow. So move ahead. This is our Math Express page number 174. These are the patterns of things. Now look at the A part. One leaf. Number again. Then next is two leaves. Again is one leaf. Again one will come. It means the first two pictures are repeating. They are making a pattern. So what will come at in the box? Read with me. Single leaf, double leaf. Single leaf, double leaf. So what will come at the last? Single leaf. So here you have to draw that leaf by yourself. And you can color it also. Now look at the B part. Sad face, happy face. Sad face, happy face. So what will come next? Sad face. So here you have to draw that sad face. Okay. Now look at the C part. Watermelon, mango. Watermelon, mango. So what will come at the next? Watermelon. Wow. Now come to the next part of the same page, D part. Look at these things. A tree, star. A tree, star. So what will come in the box? Yes, a tree. Now look at the last part. Carrot, chili. Carrot, chili. So what will come at the last? Yes, it's a carrot. Wow. Now you can do. Okay. So here is an activity. So our activity name is Let's Play with Pattern. How can you play with a pattern? In this activity, we will play with colors also. As you know, pattern is about colors and shapes. So what you need? Poster colors. These are called poster colors. Okay. Next is paint brush. This is called paint brush. Next is one white sheet. You know what is white sheet? Okay. And the last is sketch pen. Sketch pen is of which color? Only black color you want. So what we will do? We will start our activity, but before that, what you can see in the picture? What are these things? These are Diwali lights. These are Diwali lights. Can you see the pattern of colors? Yes, we can. So today what we will do, we will draw these kinds of Diwali light with the help of our finger impression, or we can say thumb impression. Can you see the pattern over here? Orange light, then blue, then green, then yellow. Again orange is repeating. So there is a pattern of light which is repeating again and again after a certain interval of time. So what you have to do, we will take a white sheet of paper in which we will draw one line like this. Okay, this will be our wire. This will be our wire. And what we will do, we will draw these kinds of spots with the help of sketch pen. Why we are drawing these spots? Because there are the places where we place our finger or thumb print with the help of colors. Okay. When we will print all those things, it will look like an electric bulb. It will look like an electric bulb or electric light. Okay. So what we will do, we will take any color, whatever you want, like this. Red color I am taking. We will open it. And with the help of this brush, we will take some color. And here is our thumb. We will color it over here. Okay. After that, what we will do? We will give our thumb impression like this. Can you see in the picture? Yes, we can see. So what about the next part? For next bulb or for next light, you can take some other color. Okay, I'm taking here green and yellow. Are they looking like an electric bulb or the electric light? Yes. So one by one, what we will do, we will color our thumb or the finger with these different colors and we will give an impression like this. Here is our golden color. So is something is repeating? No. So till now we have not created any pattern. But what about the next part? Yes, again I am using red color. Then again I am using that green color. So it means pattern is there. Look at the first four and then look at the next two. Are they creating a pattern? Yes, now read it. Red, green, yellow, golden. Red, green. So what comes next? Yellow. And what comes next? Golden. Yes, you are correct. So what about the next two? What will come? Here, red and green will come. Can you see that border? Ladybirds are there. They are also making a pattern of colors. But what you can do, your electric bulb light is ready. At the same time, you can make the borders with any kind of impression. Like I have taken lady finger. In the first picture, I have I'm giving the impression of two lady fingers. One time, second time. Next is of yellow color. So how you will do? You will cut with the help of your mama. You can say that you want that cut of lady finger, dip in the color and then give that impression. Okay, that is called printing, vegetable printing. Lady finger we are using, so we will call it lady finger printing. Here I am using these colors 2 times. Now what about the next? Golden 2 times and red 2 times. Okay, so 2 green, 2 yellow, 2 golden and 2 red. In this way, we can make the border. Can you see the pattern? The same thing is repeating again and again. It's a very interesting activity you can do at home also. So here is one of my student. He has made a card for her mother. Can you see the pattern over there? Fingerprinting. With the help of fingerprinting or the thumb printing, what he has done? He has created a pattern. Look at the 3 flowers. Red color, then orange. Red color, then orange. Red color. It means this is the pattern of 2 colors. Red and orange. Now look at the middle one. Yes, this is the pattern of 2 colors, yellow and orange. Now read it. Orange, red. From bottom you can start. Yellow, orange, yellow, orange, yellow, orange. So you can use these patterns with your thumb impression, with any kind of impression you can do. You can create it by yourself with so many beautiful things. So for this session, thank you so much. Now the summers are there, summer breaks are there. So enjoy your summer break and be safe at home. Okay, bye-bye. Thank you so much.